morning, everybody. I was trying to find the best angle. Look, I'm wearing half a glasses. My glasses are still broken and crooked because hopefully I get them fixed this Thursday or I get me a new pair ordered. Today is Valentine's Day, and I have to tell you, I released a Valentine's Social Day in a Life today because I thought you guys would enjoy it on Valentine's Day. I tried to video this weekend, and I gotta tell you, yesterday I woke up, I had the most terrible migraine ever in the whole world, and it didn't last long. I took some medicine, and then we had tacos for Super Bowl. So we had loaded nachos and tacos, didn't we, babe?
And we had that wonderful weekend where we did some running Saturday.
We did. We went.
So we were tired yesterday.
Yeah, we were tired.
Really did a lot of running.
We went to the mall. We went to Home Goods, and we went to Hobby Lobby, and it all worked out that way because our friend Danny, his evening plans got canceled. And so, therefore, he had the evening freed up. And so, he was like, whatever you guys want to do. I kind of felt bad for him. He's a young guy. He's in his 30s. And here he is hanging out with us old people.
Not that old.
I know, but I just felt so bad. It is Valentine weekend. And then we had went over to a Walmart that we don't usually go to. And I did get some groceries.
It was sure a big Walmart, though, wasn't it? Did you see how big that store was?
It's huge.
It was big, but I'll tell you what, because of the Super Bowl, it was sure been picked
It
up.
was ransacked. I mean, it was ransacked bad. So, I got what I needed. They did not have the paint that I went for. That was the whole reasoning behind him taking Ronnie and I. The initial plan was he would just run us to Walmart and that would be it. But he ended up with the whole evening freed, so we ended up staying out and doing some things. So yesterday he came back and he had tacos with us. He ran me to the other Walmart where I got my paint and my roller and everything I needed to do what I intend to paint before my son gets here. But anyways, it is just, I felt so bad for him. And I got to tell you, he was, bless his heart, he was tired last night. He was like, you know what? It's okay if you cut into my football game because I'm not going to make it through it anyways. I'm going to go to sleep. He said, I'm tired. I'm going to go to sleep. Don't you love my glasses? Anyhow, I have to make these work until I can get some new ones. Drinking coffee. Got my Conversation Heart mug out today for Valentine's Day. And I will insert my grocery haul in here for you guys to see. What I did purchase when I did go to Wally World. We call it Wally World around here. I was able to snag some pretty decent stuff. And we're stocked up. We're really stocked up. We are hoping that we don't have to go back to the grocery store for a while. Woke up to snow this morning on the ground. It snowed a little bit last night. It snowed Saturday night when I was coming out of Wally World. It was snowing. It was really coming down. It didn't stick much. But now last night it did stick, but I think it's pretty well melting off now because it's warming up.
I don't think we got a whole lot of it. But,
no, the roofs were covered. The ground was dusted, that kind of thing. So, but it was pretty while it lasted. I've seen more snow this year than I've seen since I've moved back to West Virginia. So I am going to share my day with you guys. We are supposed to have steak today. My father-in-law had one more lot of steak and he wanted us to fix it today. I'm probably going to make some loaded baked potatoes. I may even make something Valentine-y today. I don't even know. But we are going to get on with our day, and I'm going to take you guys along. And we'll see what kind of trouble we can get into. Ronnie causes all kinds of mischief on Mondays. Don't you?
I don't think so, honey. I ain't up for it yet.
You're not up for it yet. He needs more coffee. All right, we are back, and it is pouring down the snow, which was a little unexpected. I had no idea we were getting that. So tonight was kind of a bust. We have snowstorm, apparently, and Super Bowl, and Walmart had hardly nothing, and so hardly anything. And so, but it was still nice getting out because I went to the mall, and that was fun. And we went to Home Goods, and we also ran over and went to Hobby Lobby, didn't we, honey?
Yeah, we did.
And so anyways, I'm going to show you real quick what I bought, but there might be a second haul that you'll see in another video after this one because I'm going back tomorrow. They did not have the paint I wanted. I went to get paint. I went to get several things. They didn't have anything. So let's just see what we got. I do have some stuff laying on the table that's not anything that I bought. So if you see anything and you think I didn't show it to you, I didn't buy it today. So we got some Raisin Bran because I ate all of Ronnie's Raisin Bran that we got from Aldi. Got some more fish. My father-in-law has a few things that he wanted. I got him some crackers. We also got some Hot Pockets. These are the only crackers they had. He said, get me whatever they have. We got the Hot Pockets. We love these things. Got a dozen eggs. This is the only kind of egg they had. All the other ones that was there was either gone or crushed. I got 2 bunches of bananas because I love them. I got some bologna. This is also for my father-in-law. It's the original. Some sour cream. 2 things of hot Jimmy Dean. 1 thing of mixed greens. Love these. These are our favorite. I picked up this salad dressing. I didn't say anything to Ronnie about it, but it is the lime avocado salad dressing, and I think I'm going to try to start eating a little more salad myself. So we got some steak and meat. This has been something that's kind of hard to find, so I just went ahead and got 2. I got some broccoli florets. They didn't have my usual ginormous bag, but this one here would be plenty big for us. We got some pecans because I've been going through the pecans like crazy lately. Got a thing of disposable plates so that I don't have to wash as many dishes. And our friend Danny, if the snow doesn't get too bad, he's going to come and have tacos with us tomorrow on game day. So we'll have nachos and tacos tomorrow, probably before we head back out to Walmart again. Onions, because I'm out. Sugar-free coffee creamer. This is for Big Ronnie, my father-in-law. He loves the coffee creamer. They didn't have the liquid kind, but I got him that. A whole milk for me and Ron. A thing of sugar, because I already opened up 1 bag. And so when I run out, I buy one so that, you know, I can rotate. Got Ron and I wheat bread. My father-in-law white bread. And that is all I bought from Walmart. And yeah, so I'm going to put all of this away. I'm going to make me something cold to drink, and I'm going to sit down for a little while. Hello, everybody. So I'm more than likely going to be late getting this video out today. So I apologize. My schedule is so hectic this week. It's not even funny. I'm not used to, honestly, just having back-to-back things going on. But doctor's appointments, classes I signed up for, I didn't plan for my glasses to break. And I had a phone meeting this morning, so they were late calling me. Actually, it was supposed to start at 10. She didn't call me till 10:30, and it took a good 40 minutes. I was like, am I ever going to get done? I mean, it's basically just all answering yes or no questions pretty much in the meeting. And it's like, just took me forever. It had to do with my insurance and everything. But anyhow, got that all squared away. That's all good. All I got to do is mail off a couple papers they need tomorrow, and I'm done with that. So that I can handle. Let's see. It's what time is it? It is 25 after 12. My doctor's appointment is at 2 today. And Ronnie just went to the gym. And I just wanted to close out this video because I'm going to be starting a whole new one for tomorrow, for the next day, right? But I've just been so, I don't know, but I'm going to be totally honest with you. Over the weekend, my anxiety just bloomed. And it wasn't the meetings. It wasn't all the stuff I had going on. I don't know exactly what it was, but it just sometimes I feel like I'm going in 500 different directions up here. And it literally almost like physically, I don't know how to explain it, but I had a migraine the size of a truck and just physically bothers me. But I'm better. I got a grip on things. Sometimes I just have to say, okay, I'm not picking up the camera. I'm just taking this break. I'm just gonna, it's my body's telling me you need to just go and get some rest. Last night, before I close this out, I slept so sound. I don't know if you guys have ever seen, I can't remember the name of the video, the YouTubers, something Nelsons or the Nelsons family or more Nelsons, something like that. Anyways, it's about this mom and it's her family and she has, I think, like 16 kids. More power to her, not me. But she's got 16 kids. And they're very close-knit, great family, and it is cute to watch. Well, her and her husband went, I think it was their anniversary, and he surprised her, and he got a Dr. Pepper while they were out, and she called it Dr. Death or something. And she was like, that is like, you do not, that stuff is trash, you don't drink it, you know. And guys, Dr. Pepper is like my all-time favorite beverage. If I'm going to be naughty, I'm going to be naughty, right? And and I don't like the diet Dr. Pepper. I want the real McCoy. So it's so funny because she was telling her husband this. Anyways, last night when I was sleeping, I dreamed that I was opening up this big, giant, tall Dr. Pepper, and she shows up in the room and she's telling me about how it causes diabetes. It's Dr. Death. I dreamed about her. It's so crazy. Anyhow, just to show you how crazy I am. But anyhow, I just want to come in here and just say, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm getting ready to go to my doctor's appointment at 2 today. I am going to film today. Ronnie and I are going to make pizza later on this evening for dinner. He went to gym this morning. I'm off to Dr. Dread. I hate going to the doctor, guys. I hate it. It's my least favorite place to go to. I don't want to go. But I almost canceled. I'm like, there's nothing wrong with me. I don't need to go. What do I need to go for? I don't need to see them. In my head, bouncing back and forth. I was this close. Just calling and going, you know what? I can't come in today. You know, I got stuff. But no, I'm going to bite the bullet. I'm going to be a big girl today and go to the doctor. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you as part of the Kiddos Corral family. And I'll be talking to y'all again soon. Drop me a comment down below. I love to hear you guys' comments. You know I do. Give this video a thumbs up. Bye, guys.